talking about extrovert people. So extrovert are those who can express themselves, like who can being confident in uh, public areas, like they can express themselves very confidently and they can talk more, express more emotion. They can like when you are introvert, you love to isolate yourself, being alone or being yourself. But when you are extrovert, you want people around you, you want more fun, you know.
Correct.
Or ambivert are those people who love to being both, like they are very selective. For some people they are introvert, for some people they are extrovert, and the mixture is known as ambivert.
Ambivert.
So, and my more, I want to say something more. So, my advice to you all, join Sonali ma'am for English. As you all know, English is very important. It's a global language. When wherever you are, you use English for speaking, for communication, for communicating your emotion, for expressing yourself, for you know, for saying your thoughts and all. So yeah, it's very
You
important to
can
learn
connect you
English.
can connect worldwide people if you know this language English. If you know only your local language and Hindi, you can connect with
Yeah,
couple of
some
people,
specific
somebody,
people,
huh?
yeah, some specific people, and just you when you learn English, you can connect globally.
Globally.
Where you when you can use it everywhere.
So if you have a very big dream, so you must know
Yeah.
this language.
So and it makes you feel confident. When you
Confidence.
speak English, you feel confident. So yeah, you have to learn
What do
English.
you think about English? We must know how to talk or not.
Yes, of course, we should know how to talk in English. Like,
Yeah.
as we know, it's an official language of India, right? So, like, not only English, we should know all the language. Like, not all the language, but Hindi also. Yeah,
But yeah, English and you can make mistakes. In starting, you don't have to make yourself very fluent and all. You can make mistake and learn very smoothly. But you
Smoothly.
have to,
English is a journey. It is
yeah,
not a
it's a
destination.
journey. Yeah, yeah,
Correct.
that's a correct phase I can say.
So it happened ever that you have traveled somewhere and people they totally impress the way you talk with them.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
about only English because of your good communication skills.
Yeah, because of communication skills, they praised you. When you talk very confidently, whatever language you are using, but you have to confident by yourself, and your speaking skills matter most. Because when we are meeting someone, they don't know about yourself. When you speak with them, they just know about your speaking language, and they are going to impress by your speaking skills. So yeah, it's a very important thing to learn English, and enhancing your speaking skills. It's very important for all
Good.
us, for
Nice to
all of
meet
us.
you all. You all are
Thank
you
you.
all three are sisters.
Yeah, we
Yes.
all three are sisters, and I'm very happy to be here and expressing myself in front of camera, and I love to meet my
What
as
do you think? One more question I have.
yeah,
Girls should be talkative or not?
yeah, according to me, they should, like,
They should.
because when you express yourself, you will be more confident, and I believe, like, why not to talk, like,
Good.
we all have to talk now, like, yeah,
If you feel good talking with somebody, so you
yeah.
have to talk.
And communication is very important. Like when we communicate with others, when we express ourselves, and talking is only the thing we can do. Yeah, it's very important to
You
be.
also want to say that girls should talk a lot, they should be talkative
Yeah,
or
of
not?
course, they should be
I
talking.
like the girls who are loud, who are more like who love to talk and who
So
are
you are
more.
liking me or not?
I love you, not just liking.
I love you too, guys.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Welcome.